IKEA. This is not a lampshade. This is a hat.
In one of our other videos, we saw the bus go on water. Now the bus is going underwater.
Now it is. Got to turn the mic on, but we're on, what bridge are we on?
Chesapeake Bay Tunnel Bridge.
No, we're on the J. Kellum.
Well, we're about to go.
Something like that. Wish us luck. He's literally just rolling.
Don't put on the pedal.
We're under the sea. Going back in. I didn't realize there was 2 tunnels in this. Like, whoa.
It's so loud in here. You have to close that guy again.
Wow. Is this like a whole new video?
Yeah.
So should I say? Welcome back, SunChasers. We are in Virginia, finally at an IKEA. Made good. These things are delicious. I haven't eaten all day.
Maybe you can get some Swedish meatballs at the IKEA.
I can't eat meatballs.
Yeah.
Hopefully by now, this bus video is out and you guys will peep the new stairs. If not, look how good this looks. I've only been into an IKEA once, but our mission here, we need a couch. So now that we're finally in Virginia, we made our stop. Here we come. Is the door locked? IKEA. It's kind of messing with me though, because leaving New York, I mean, we're getting down to 26 degrees already, freezing in the bus, having to run the heat. We make it, you know, 8 hours down south, and it literally feels like it's July. I don't know where you're going. Entrance is over there. Listen, buddy, you better keep up. I can eat the granola bar before I walk into IKEA. I don't want to be that person. Freaking starving, walking out of a bus, eating a freaking granola bar. I did not realize it was Swedish. That's my bad.
That's why I said Swedish meatballs.
We're heading in. Hedgy. Christmas. Look at this. The candles. There we go. Look at the little like dish thing.
It's like an electric burner right there.
So the thing that I literally love about IKEA is that anything on the wall has a price tag on it. So if you like it, you can buy it. Like this table, $69. Like the polar bear, $24. So that's another dilemma we have in the bus. I broke my full-length mirror, not actually in the bus, broke my full-length mirror on my wedding day. It shattered in the back of the truck. So I've not had a full-length mirror in the bus, and it shows. I can see like the top half of my outfit, and that's it. Literally, what a dream. But that's actually crazy. There's squares that pinch together, and you can get a pack of 4 for only $12.99. And that's not bad. Should we do that? Oh, that is so cool. Knock knock.
They have it set up so like this is like your little outside deck, like your little porch, and then you'd walk into your bedroom.
Look, there's a plant wall behind you. It really makes you envision like what you're buying for your house. It's a watering can. Yeah.
Can I buy one of these kids' drawings?
Does that bed not look so comfy though? Hey, look at that light. That's really cool. Your shoes go in these things, and then your clothes just go in here. Look at how organized the jeans are. That is so cool. But look, and they just go back in the wall. Only 149 bucks. They're only 44 bucks.
This is like the same deal. We're in like nice little Christmassy living room, and then we can walk out here onto the patio. We got nice little patio furniture, nice little patio floor.
How? Look at that pattern, and it's reversible for $20. I might have to cop that. Whoa! Look at this thing.
No, it's an ottoman.
Yeah, I know, but it's like those things that the doctors come in on, and they whoa.
I like that lamp.
Ooh. Salt and pepper grinders, like actual glass. With charging tray, the 3 lamps glow with a glow. What? I don't know how to turn them on. They're so cool. There's so many things I need to keep my mind, like I need to remember them, because when we enter the marketplace, I'm gonna see them all and gonna buy them. So
Hose nozzle on this faucet's cool.
this is pretty fantastic. This is like a dream laundry room. The only thing is, hopefully the washers in my laundry room are real. $20 for that lamp.
Got any candy in here? No. We got lots of chairs.
This is not a lampshade. This is a hat.
This one looks like a transformer. Anyone want a frozen veggie dog? You can get IKEA ketchup.
I saw these hanging in one of the displays and I didn't think that they were for sale because there's some things you can't buy, like the shoes and stuff. But then as we were walking through the marketplace part, awesome, but look at this thing. $4.99 I think? Aren't those cool? Guys, what's the remedy for not crying during cutting? These aren't even onions, these are, well, they are onions. They're shallots. I'm making late night ratatouille.
You gonna cry over it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, this little guy. Whee! Got 2 of them actually. This is what I'm using because I don't want to have like bright lights up in here when it's nighttime outside, especially. Don't want people knowing what we're doing. This way, if it doesn't look that great, you'll be really able to tell. First of all, your straw is about as straight as... Second of all, we're walking. There's these 2 little kids, lemonade stand, and he offers his cousin lemonade, but we already had drinks. And this bozo literally just goes, "Don't you need a permit for that?" Trying to ruin these kids' mojo.
It's a lemonade stand.
It's a lemonade stand. Are you gonna call the cops on it?
Yeah, you keep pestering me.
You were pestering them.
This guy's a Karen.
Yeah, yeah.
What is the male name for a Karen?
Kyle.
Kyle?
I still think I should be Darren.
Karen and Darren.
Your flashlight's on.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome back, SunChasers. You already know what time it is. Coffee time with Time. And we are here at Jacob Alejandro. Do you want to do that part?
Jacob Alejandro's. Once again, we hit another spot that doesn't have sandwiches, so I guess I'm out of this one.
But it looked way too good not to try the coffee.
Yeah, this isn't like especially like high quality coffee. Isn't like what they do here?
Yeah. They have a couple of lattes that are seasonal that they kind of have on their menu all the time. Today I went to
Signature, not seasonal.
He's right. Signature lattes that they're always on their menu. One of them's a horchata one of them's a vanilla citrus. I'm not sure what the third one is, but today I went with the specialty latte, and that is the tiramisu. Tiramisu is, by the way, like one of my favorite desserts, so I'm really excited for this. Oat milk iced. You guys know what it is. Give it a little mix. It's got like a lot of like cinnamon on the top, I think, or cocoa. We're gonna go ahead and get it a taste. Can't tell what I'm tasting. It's delicious. I can't say if it's screaming tiramisu, but then again, I haven't had tiramisu in a while. The gluten. Super sweet. A lot of cocoa. We're gonna go Jacob Alejandro's. We're gonna go 7 out of 10. Well done.
I got no sandwich to review though.
He
so
has nothing.
I guess I'm out.
But do they not?
Look at
It's kind of gross. Look at it.
I'd give it like an 8.5 to a 9, somewhere in there. Tastes like a horchata.
You know what that word means.
It's a Mexican spice.
You're Mexican spice.